Yo, what's up, YouTube? Coming today in this video, I'm going to showing you guys how to find winning products for ecom free. So you stick along to the end of the video, what you'll get is the process to exactly find winning products and everything. And yeah, so the thing about winning products I want you guys to know is number one, like a winning product solves a problem and it has an emotional benefit at the same time. Meaning um like the thing they put in people's back or the thing where people the teeth whitening kit it solves a problem like your back pain, your dirty teeth. Now it's white. It solved that problem, and now you feel better about yourself. You feel that those two things have to align. One, it solves a problem. Two is an emotional benefit. It can't just be like a little gadget phone case for it. It has to have a meaning behind it. Like what's the design on it, and what does that design mean to that audience, and how you market to it. You also want to have winning marketing, like copy. It's the ad copy, right? But winning product and winning marketing too. In future videos, I'll go on into that. So, there's sites like this where look, you can just see some winning products, and what you're doing is you're trying to find that. It solves a problem and it has an emotional benefit. Like, look, high gloss. Damn, this is crazy. This is from Kylie. Like, she made billions. But is she really drop shipping? Let me see if I could pause it. No, I don't know if I can pause it. It is live right here. I'm trying to sign into this site right here. Job Spy, which is a ad spying site for you to see products. There's many more sites. But the purpose of this channel was like I ain't trying to make bias or unbiased recommendations, nothing. I'm just trying to add value and solve problems is the concept. But wow, this is cool. Look, I will find this for y'all real soon. Oh yeah, so, 90 days off for $1. Soon in the coming videos, I'm gonna create a simple store and teach y'all how to create a converting store. Alright, so let's go. So this AliExpress and Oberlo, you want to put them together and stuff. Alright, so emotional benefit solves a problem. Solves a problem, emotional benefit. That's an example, like the makeup stuff you add to your body to make you look and feel better, stuff like that. Alright, let me see some. Oh, it's over here. Let's see. Those two. Remember, it solves a problem and adds an emotional benefit at the same time. Doesn't want to load right now. Come on. We'll use any example product for now. But when you guys really do the product research, make sure it solves a problem and adds an emotional benefit at the same time. So for now, we're just gonna find like any product so I can show like the example of concept I'm trying to say. Alright, say these bags right here, and it's hard. It could take like a couple hours of further research to do. This is another language. Damn. Okay, I got out. I got out. We're just trying to find any example, but you guys get what the criteria of the product research really is. The site I really recommend you guys pay for, which will be worth it, is this one right here. Like the pricing, the monthly subscription. I wouldn't. I hate those. I'm a lifetime guy, but this one right here will probably be cool because it shows you all the um stuff like see like ad insights, active ads. You see, it shows you it's active ads, but you can manually this way see too. Look like go here. Okay, see, we go here. Okay, this is like a it's like the ad. You see, all right. Okay, so this should be done right here. This is done right here. If they had running ads that are active, it would show right here. So you want to find a product that they have. This is just an example. That's why product research takes like a couple hours, few hours a day. And then you will want to put them here, like the name, the page link, the ad, and then search them up on AliExpress. Put it there. So it'll be like this. Like, all right, here's an example. This is the ad link or whatever. And then we click on their site. This is the name of the product, right? But since they're not running ads, it's not as great. We qualify great, like you want great. This is just an example. You really want great, like you want the one specifically that you're gonna put in your like. This is like a Google Sheets. It could be with the what I'm saying, the item, the ad link, and then you go and search this up in AliExpress. It doesn't have to be this way, but you could literally go on AliExpress.com and search it up. So yeah, I'm mainly creating like a training series to help you guys out throughout the whole process. I showed you how to get a domain, and I'm showing you how to get a winning product. It could even give you like the swipe file of the ad and all the other ads they're running. And yeah, well later in the videos I can explain the strategies. Wow, this says I'm on the low, so okay, just search up the name of the product. You could also go like this. Search QR code. On Google, it would be like Google Lens lookup. Search Google Lens search. There it is. Is this one right here? So look, they pay 38, 40, and they sell them for like 115. So you're gonna see all of that, and then take into account the profit margin, that margins you want to get after ad spend, after the cost of goods. So what's take home? So you want to account all of that. Yeah, that was the main concept of the video. It's 9 minutes in. This was perfect, and I already explained. Like, look, this is how you find winning products. Um, for ecom. 2025. This is one of the ways I showed the other site. You could use Facebook Ad Library to help you every time. Boom, boom, all the pages. So yeah, hope you guys found this useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.